Freedcamp and Taskworld, two project management platforms, each claiming to make teamwork effortless. But which one actually helps you get things done faster? On one side, Freedcamp, flexible, feature-rich, and free for basic use. On the other, Taskworld, visually driven, collaboration-focused, and trusted by global teams. We'll put both to the test with real scenarios, covering features, ease of use, collaboration tools, pricing, and much more. Forget the fancy terms. We're diving into the details that matter most to real users. Every category earns points, and at the end, you'll see a clear winner. The outcome may just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's our little roadmap for the battle. We'll hit price, core features, reporting and analytics, integrations, usability, and of course, how good they each are for collaboration. If there's any hidden gem, trust me, I'll share. Okay, let's talk price first. Freedcamp honestly kinda knocks it out of the park here with a free plan that actually covers most essentials, which, let's be real, is rare these days. And even the upgrades are super affordable. Sure, some fancy stuff is paywalled, but Taskworld, it's more like, hey, get a trial and then you've got to pay up. On the plus side, Taskworld does offer unlimited users on all paid plans, which is way more generous than some others. So for your wallet, Freedcamp just edges ahead here. Moving on to core features. Both have real depth. Freedcamp gives you tasks, milestones, Gantt, even solid permission controls. But the interface? Not the prettiest. Taskworld? It's way more visual. Think Kanban, timelines, time tracking, and messaging all baked in. The catch? You don't get as many classic Gantt waterfall tools, so this round is kinda a tie. Each brings some cool stuff. Alright, reporting and analytics. This is where Taskworld honestly shines. Their visual dashboards and project health stats are actually useful, not just a wall of numbers. Freedcamp does reports, sure, but for anything more than basic exports, you'll need to pay. Taskworld's insights are just way more actionable if you're a data person, so yeah, Taskworld takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Freedcamp actually started out as a tiny bootstrapped alternative to Basecamp, and now it has users in over 100 countries? Not bad for a passion project, right? Integrations next. Both connect to the big hitters like Google Drive, Slack, and have Zapier support. Freedcamp tosses Dropbox and OneDrive in there, while Taskworld comes with an API for the techies. But neither has a slick native GitHub or Jira integration, which is odd. So if you want everything built in, you might feel a smidge underwhelmed. Still, it's a tie for integrations for me. Now, usability. And honestly, this is where Taskworld gets flashy. The UI is modern, very drag and drop, just snappy to use. Freedcamp is solid, but let's just say it's not winning any beauty contests, and it can get a bit cluttered for newcomers. Taskworld is just easier on the eyes and in the hands. It's a clear win for Taskworld here. Last up, collaboration. Taskworld seriously commits to the whole real-time, everyone talking vibe. There's chat, mentions, project chat rooms, even pretty smart notifications. Freedcamp, meanwhile, has your classic discussions, comments, and it does let guests in the door, but it's missing native in-app video or audio chat. So if you want lively team energy, Taskworld's your pick. Let's zoom out and look at where these apps win and lose on the chart. You'll notice Freedcamp dominates price, but Taskworld really takes off when you get into analytics, usability, and collaboration. Both are solid, but the different strengths are pretty clear here. So, wrapping up. If you're a scrappy startup or flying solo and you want big features without spending big bucks, you'll probably vibe with Freedcamp. But if your team loves beautiful charts and super smooth chatting all in a modern, easy workspace, Taskworld is honestly the winner. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more deep dives on productivity tools that aren't just buzzwords, go ahead and hit subscribe. Catch you in the next one.